What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Captain Riley's Aviation Updates. And today we are currently at Houston Hobby Airport. A lot of planes. Southwest Tennessee one has took off to Panama City. Right here, over there is a Southwest 737-700 in their Canyon Blue. And right behind them, there's a small American Eagle CRJ that will be taking off to Dallas. So, yeah. And there's a Tennessee. I think I can get him. Yeah, there he is. He's taking off to Panama City, and now here comes the Southwest 737-700 in their Canyon Blue. Where's that Canyon Blue going? And that Southwest 737-700 heading out to MCO or Orlando. And right there, with a small plane, the American Eagle CRJ. He will be taking off for Dallas, Fort Worth. The gates are almost empty. This morning we just saw a Delta 717 arrive from Hartsfield, Jackson, Atlanta. We're thinking. And right now, as you can see, we see a Southwest tail moving down at the terminal. He will be lining up soon. Right over there, there's a layfield of 4 Southwest planes down for coronavirus, and there's the main runway straight right there. So, yep, this is very thing for Captain Riley. And it looks like we have a private jet, which is taxiing. Do we have one coming in? There's a Canyon Blue out there. Right there, there's a Southwest 737-700 way down there. Still, the American Eagle is still waiting. I wonder if his flight must be delayed. Now we have the American Eagle starting a taxi up to the runway, taking off for Dallas, Fort Worth. There it is, the American Eagles. There he is. Still on the ground. And he's up in the air and off to Dallas. What a very smooth flight. Very smooth. Don't mind that red Ford F-150. Now there's a Southwest headquarters right there. Right over there, there was a United premium thing with a winglet. Dragonfly. So, yeah. Thanks for watching Captain Riley's Aviation. I'll be back with an update maybe later. Bye-bye.